What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here how to send money over to your Kucoin account step by step in detail. So Kucoin is my favorite app to buy crypto, but how do you fund it, right? How do you send money over there to buy all these different types of altcoins, low cap, medium cap? So I'm gonna be showing you guys right here. And the first step is to choose the exchange to send the crypto over to your Kucoin so you can fund it. And the two that I personally recommend is Coinbase Pro and Gemini. And the reason why is because they have free withdrawals and they have really low fees when you buy their crypto. So they have low fees when you buy crypto, and they have zero fees when you withdraw that crypto to any exchange, including Kucoin. So I'm going to be showing you guys here the steps. So for this video, I'm going to be using Coinbase Pro. Okay, but you can do the same steps for Gemini or some other exchange that you guys have too. It works for any exchange that provides a wallet for that crypto. And I'm also going to be showing you guys here what I recommend, which crypto to send over, which one is the fastest way, and which one has the less fees. So the crypto that I recommend personally is XLM. The reason why XLM is because XLM is super fast. And number two is if you are using a exchange that takes away fees when you withdraw, XLM is definitely the one with the lowest fees. I can assure you that. You can compare all the fees and you'll see that XLM is the lowest one. So how do you do this? So you're going to go right here to the search, buy XLM or whichever crypto you want to send over to Kucoin. And it doesn't have to be XLM. So you buy that crypto. All right. Then right here on Coinbase Pro, you go to your portfolio. Then you're going to click on the crypto that you're sending over to Kucoin. Once it gets to Kucoin, I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. So then all you got to do right here, guys, is press withdraw. And this is the same steps for all the exchanges. It's the same thing. And then this is where it gets a little tricky, but don't worry because I'm going to show you guys here step by step. All you got to do right here is enter the wallet address. So this right here is the wallet address. So you guys can see I click on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the XLM address that's on your Kucoin account. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how to find that. So even if you don't have XLM, all you got to do is go to your main account. You're going to go right here, assets, main account, click on search. Then you're going to get XLM, you're going to search up XLM. And then right here, you're going to click deposit. So instead of clicking withdraw, you're going to click deposit. So you click deposit, you're going to click I understand the risk and wish to continue. Then right here, you guys are going to click on copy address. You guys see this right here? Copy address. I just copied it. You're going to go back to your Coinbase Pro. Okay, hope you guys are following. If I'm going too fast, you can watch the parts again and slow it down for you guys. So right here, then you're going to click paste. This is what I recommend doing. This is way better than trying to write it down and type it because it's the exact thing. You don't have to change anything. You click on it right here. Then XLM is different from other cryptos. It's similar to XRP because it has something called the XLM tag. So it's not just the address. There's an XLM tag or memo, whatever it's called. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go back here and then under it, it should have the memo. You click copy memo. We're going to click paste after you copy the memo. Then all you got to do is press confirm. Then once it gets to here, you're going to put the amount that you want to send over. I'm going to do the full amount here. Then as you guys can see, the network fees are zero. That's why I like Coinbase Pro. So right here, the processing time is instant. And all you got to do now is just click withdraw. And then you're going to put your verification code. If you have 2FA, you just type that in. You just go to the app. And then you just type in the 2FA. So I just did my 2FA. I clicked confirm. So it says right here, your withdrawal has started. Then all you gotta do is click done. And then like I said, guys, XLM is super fast compared to many other cryptos out there. So it should take less than a minute. So then after you transfer that crypto to your Kucoin, I just showed you guys how to do it. If I went too fast, you guys can go back and see it again. So right here on Kucoin. So of course, what you want to do now is you want to go to your assets main. You're gonna search up your crypto again. In my case, it's XLM. Now you're going to transfer this. Click on transfer. You're going to click right here on all. Okay. Click confirm. Now that's going to be transferred to your trading. That's the account that you want to send it to because you want to trade this. You don't want to keep the crypto, right? I don't want to keep XLM. I want to buy something else with that money. So then all you got to do now, it's right here in your trading. Now you're just going to go right here to search XLM and make sure it's USDT. XLM/USDT. Now you want to sell it, right? You want to sell it because you want to use that money to buy other cryptos that you're interested in, and you can only do that with USDT. So all you gotta do right here is click sell. Then the fastest way to sell is by doing market orders. That sells instantly, so you don't have to wait for But if you want to do a limit order, you could do a limit order and put at that price you want to sell it out. Right here, I put market order. Then right here, you're going to put 100%. That means you're going to sell all of it. Then you're going to click sell right here at the bottom. Now you're going to put in your trading password. And then boom, after you put in your trading password, it should sell. We're going to go back here to the assets. And then boom, right there, as you guys can see, I don't have any more XLM. It went to my USDT. And the same way that you sell it, you can buy either market order or limit orders, any way like that. So that's it, guys. It's just as simple as that. You can do this for any exchange out there. The ones that I like is Coinbase Pro and Gemini. You guys can sign up for those two in the description below. You'll get like $10 free worth of Bitcoin if you guys use my link. But that's how I do it. This is the best way in my opinion because you save a lot on fees. So thank you guys again. If you guys want to join the crypto group, check out my Facebook crypto group and also my Reddit and my Patreon. Thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.